ready to unlock a potentially game-changing opportunity in your real estate career. Today, we're diving deep into how you can make money as a Redfin Associate Agent, exploring the perks, requirements, and earning potential of this exciting partnership. First, understand that a Redfin Associate Agent is a licensed real estate professional who partners with Redfin, leveraging their technology, brand recognition, and extensive customer base to boost their business. Unlike traditional agents, Redfin provides leads, handles much of the administrative burden, and offers a streamlined tech platform. This translates to more time focusing on what you do best: closing deals and building client relationships. Associate agents primarily earn through commission-based sales, meaning your income directly reflects your success in helping clients buy or sell properties. Now, let's break down the benefits. Redfin provides a steady stream of leads, removing the pressure of constant self-promotion. Their cutting-edge technology platform simplifies tasks like scheduling showings, managing documents, and communicating with clients. Plus, Redfin handles much of the marketing and administrative work, freeing you to focus on your clients. So, how do you become a Redfin Associate Agent? The first step is ensuring you meet Redfin's requirements, which typically include having an active real estate license and meeting specific sales performance standards. But be sure to check their official website for the most up-to-date qualifications. Then, you'll complete an application process, often involving an interview to assess your skills and experience. Once accepted, you'll undergo training to familiarize yourself with Redfin's systems and processes. Redfin provides ongoing support and resources to help you thrive as an associate agent, ensuring you're equipped for success. By partnering with Redfin, you gain access to a powerful platform that can amplify your earning potential and streamline your real estate career. For more information and to start your journey, head to the Redfin Careers page and explore the Associate Agent program. Good luck.